Hello, if you're homeowners. Kind of want to talk a little more about, is there a correlation between Google posts and your rankings on Google? There's a lot of information out there floating around. Even some gurus are teaching that you got to be posting on a regular basis on Google Posts because it helps you with your local rankings on Google. It does not. Okay, let's get it out of the way. A lot of data out there that it does not help you with your rankings on Google. But of course, it helps you with other things, right? So let me show you a couple of quick examples here, right? So definitely it does not help you get ranked here in the local pack and organically by doing Google posts. What it does help you is whenever somebody Googles your brand name, let's say it's a family through a referral or hospice referral, or they already know you, that Google posts does show up here only when they Google your brand name. Now you get to demonstrate your expertise, right? If you have blogs, you can link to your blogs. If you have a lunch and learn event coming up, you get to announce it on here. So I typically think of this Google Post section as your message board, right? You get to post whatever out there. That way, anytime somebody Googles your brand name, you are pushing messages out there for them to see. So definitely, I would say if you got a lunch and learn event coming up, or you got any community events coming up, do announce it through here. If you have any content you want to distribute, definitely put it on here. But this section does not help you with your rankings on Google. Let me know if you have any questions.